Oh, hey there. Welcome to another episode of Old Dog New Tricks. This may be the last skateboarding day of 2025 for this old dog, simply because it's November 18th. And even though I managed to clear off a space here at Dundas Driving Park Flat Pad, it's getting cold and we've already had 2 bouts of snow. So today the sun was out. I mean, the sun's going down now. It's like 4:30 and the sun's going down. However, I thought I'd come out and try to do a little bit of skateboarding. That trick I was just trying to do is this tiny little micro movement. It's kind of like a jaywalk, except instead of like landing it and then doing another jaywalk, you go into jaywalk and then pull it back in. So it's this tiny little micro movement that once you do it, it seems so easy, but it's hard to get the lean, and it's not really a jump. You have to sort of decompress your weight briefly just to get that little tick. And then you move your board, you take the front foot off your board, you move the board. It's almost like a tick, like a little twitch on a speedometer. It's sitting at 12 o'clock and then you go twitch and then back. And I'm trying to learn that. I was trying to learn that like before it started snowing. And so I want to do a couple, catch it on video so that I don't forget in the spring when it's once again possible to skateboard here. Anyhow, we're going to keep working on that and maybe some other footwork moves to complete 2025, the summer of footwork. Yeah, it's nice of you to tune in to this channel and check out my skateboarding updates. I appreciate it. So I'll catch you on the flip side. I figured out the secret to this trick. It's similar for me to a no comply, because in a no comply, the way I do a no comply, and for a no comply you have your foot back here on the tail to control it, but I always drop my knee towards the center of the board, and that's what gives you the control. And for this tiny little speedometer, I guess we're going to call it the speedometer hiccup, so for that you want to have your foot way up here. You don't want it anywhere near the tail, the same way for a no comply you would have your foot back here, but you want to have it up here so that you're not going to pull that board. It's not coming up. What you do want to do is move the board that way, so you're using your heel to go that way, so the board will go that way. But the key here is to crouch with your knee. So when you compress your knee, it's taking some of the weight off, and that's when you do the little tick, like that. See, crouch, and on the way back, as you're stepping back up, as you're decompressing, that's where you. That's it. Now you just got to do that moving, and we have a speedometer hiccup, which maybe there's some other name. If there's some other name for that trick, let me know. But I'm going to call it the speedometer hiccup. The problem is if you start leaning too far back, your nose is going to lift, and then it's no longer a speedometer hiccup, it's some other kind of thing. It'll probably just cause you to wipe it. There it is. I knew that was going to happen. That's another new trick for me. I forget even what it's called. It's a rail stand, something or other. And it feels really, really good, except I knew I was going to wipe out. I should really wear a helmet just because I ain't getting any younger, people. And I got to protect my head. Anyways, that was cool. The thing about this age we're living in, the age of YouTube, is I can now watch all these amazing freestylers explain their tricks, which when I was learning this as a wee lad, several moons ago, let's say, there was no one around to teach a guy how to freestyle except for my friend M. He had gone to California, learned some freestyle moves, watched a few videos, and taught me the basics, but we didn't know the names of half these tricks, like the switchblade. That's been around forever, and I only just learned about it last year. And that's because of YouTube and the way that freestyle culture has kind of had a bit of a resurgence, which is amazing to see. There's more companies now, there's contests, and there's high-profile skateboarders incorporating freestyle into their street skating, and just people doing really creative stuff, and it's so inspiring to me, even at my advanced age, that I just want to keep learning things and just feeling new ways to move on a skateboard. And that's kind of why I love bringing my tiny freestyle deck down here to the flat pad and just working on these new motions, because it feels so good. Anyways, shout out to all you freestylers who are keeping the flame lit for new generations, and keeping the knowledge alive, you know. Like, I really truly appreciate the knowledge that I've learned from other YouTubers, and I'll put some links in the description, but you know, I just really appreciate it, so thank you for that. All right, back to the skateboarding. Okay, my friends, I've taken more bails today than in a while. Luckily, I had my trusty wrist guard. The fact is, you can't learn without falling. That's my new motto here at Old Dog New Tricks. I hope you are staying well. I hope you can do some skateboarding, whatever part of the world you're in. And if you have warm weather, appreciate it, because here in Canada, it's getting darn cold. Anyhow, it's great to be here. Great to skateboard. Take it easy, and I will see you on the flip side.